We love you, Omarion.
Pipe up.
Omarion, you're a rapper now?
Gang, spin on his block. Catch me up, I'ma shoot at your dress. Don't move when I spin. Like what? Ben 10, play with a chop.
Gang, when you ride, play with her up, then I ride on that bike. Like what? No joking time, play with her up. Like Ben, like what? Ben 10, play with a chop, you know I'm gonna move. Gang, when you ride, play with her up, then I ride on that bike. Like what? No joking time, play with her up. Like Ben, like what? Ben 10, play with a chop, you know I'm gonna move. Gang, like what? Spin on the block with the shots, play with her up, then you dead on the site. Like what? Riding his bike. Like what? I'ma ride in that coupe, play with her up, then you dead on the site. Like what? Take his whole life. Like what? Shoot off his dreads, make him bald. Like how you play with a chop with a nacho. Like keep me a beam. Like what? I keep me a 30. Like what? Like a 40. Play me a op, then you dead. Play on that block and you ride on that bike. Like what? Catch me a op, then you dead on the side like a Glock. Like that knock on my hip when I walk on a bike. Play with his life, taking his life like a shooter. Like, play with a stick like a Ruber. Keep me a shooter on my side with this Nuba. Yeah, keep me a knock on my hip like the school bus. Riding this coupe, play with her after you dead. Yeah, I'ma pass it to my little shooter right here. You know the vibe. This Timmy. Yo, Timmy, I wanna hear you right now.
Yeah, if you get hit with a Glock, play with her after you dead on the side. Don't run from me. I'm gonna get hit. You gonna get hit. Everybody gonna get hit. Play with a bike, hop on that bike and I'll play with a rice. Like rice, eating that rice with a chick. Yeah, don't run from me. You gonna get hit. Play with her up, then it's up. Don't run. If you got hit.
Like Timmy said, you gon' get hit. You gon' get hit. Add me on Snapchat, omarion7 baby. I'm for real. My Snapchat is omarion7 baby. Nothing else. It's just omarion7 baby. Thanks for the love.